my gosh. I can run for it. All right.
What's up, guys? Good morning. Today we are back here on the MSC Seaside. We're docking this morning in beautiful Ocho Rios, Jamaica. Yeah, let me let you take a look outside here. We're just pulling up on the island, so they're getting docked down here and down here. Here is a, I believe, European cruise ship, Pullmantur. I've heard of them before. We've docked with them once or twice in St. Martin, but I'm not quite sure what the actual name of the ship is. It used to be a Royal Caribbean ship, one of the older, like Enchantment, that class of ship. But yeah, we are just now docking here in beautiful Ocho Rios, Jamaica. It's like 80-something degrees outside, and it's only 8:30 in the morning. 8:45, sorry. But I've already put on my sunscreen for today. I'd highly recommend you do that in all of these Caribbean ports. Whenever you come, make sure you bring plenty of sunscreen. That's why I'm a little shiny. I'm glowing this morning. I always knew I was an angel. I've already put all of that on. We've got our shore excursion documents. Now, our shore excursions today, we are using Shore Excursions Group. If you've never heard of them, definitely check them out. They are basically just the same thing as the cruise lines. They have a full back-to-ship guarantee. If you miss your port, they have a refund guarantee. So just go check it out, read, and decide for yourself. But we've used them several times, never really had any issues with them. So, I mean, it has clear instructions on where to meet the tour, what time that we meet, how many people are on the ticket, all that fun stuff. So definitely check them out. We're also about to get everything packed up this morning. Just about to get all of our beach towels packed up, and I did want to let you know about the really, really sexy. Peter, would you mind modeling this for me for just a second?
Yeah, sure.
We can do it out here. The really super sexy Josh Hookham official beach towel. This is the Anchor logo collection. So definitely head over to the website, get yours now. It is so stylish, so nautical themed. It is, honestly, it's probably my favorite thing on the website over there. So definitely head over and get you one now, joshhookham.com. You've never heard of that cruise line? I have. We docked with them once or twice in I'm sorry, we're in Jamaica right now. We've docked with them once or twice in St. Martin. I don't know if we've docked with that specific ship. If that's, I believe they have a ship called the Monarch. If that's the Monarch, then we've docked with that one other time in St. Martin. But it's more of like a European. I think it even may be German. Don't quote me on that. Don't quote me. But it's definitely European. That section of the world. It's not sailing out of the U.S. I know that. We're gonna get up top right now. Head up and check out, see all the sights and sounds. Grab a quick breakfast this morning, and then we're gonna be getting down and getting off and exploring all that Ocho Rios has for us today. It's gonna be an amazing day. Let's get it rolling. So we've got all of our water shoes, all of our water gear on. Don't we look so stylish this morning?
Oh yeah.
But we're doing the Blue Hole Adventure as well as some Whitewater River Rapids rafting stuff. So you know, obviously they wanted us to wear like shoes, but shoes that can get wet. So that's where you get water shoes.
Yeah, water shoes.
Alright, come on, let's go upstairs. Key out, door open, we're rolling.
They refilled the pool.
They did refill the pool. Good morning, Jungle Pool. There's nobody in it too. Wow, it's windy.
It sure is.
My goodness. Alright, let's see. Where are the stairs at? Guess we gotta go down here. Yeah, they're definitely not my favorite choice of footwear, but when they say you gotta wear them, you gotta wear them. It was either that or like ruin our tennis shoes, so I guess I'll tough it out with the water shoes. Here's that awesome slide that we did yesterday. That thing was so fun. I wonder what time it opens. Oh, I bet it opens at 9. They're probably doing their safety checks and everything. Yeah. Well, over the bridge we go. Whee! very good morning, Ocho Rios, Jamaica. Ah, so good to be back.
Pretty here.
Isn't it though? That is the coolest thing. They got a stretching session going on.
Morning stretches.
Yeah, morning stretches right out here on the pool deck.
That is really cool.
I love how these stairs are like angled.
Yeah.
It's the little things, you know? The little things in life you appreciate the most. We're going to the Biscayne Bay restaurant and buffet. This is the one up here on deck 16.
There's less people in this one.
There is. It's a whole lot less crowded. And I think it's pretty much the same thing. So let's see what they got. What is that?
Cinnamon rolls.
Wow, look at that.
Cinnamon rolls.
Oh my gosh. Got some French toast, pancakes, beef hot dogs. Still got the hot dogs. Of course, eggs.
That's all it is.
Hash brown, potatoes, omelets. There's more eggs. Wow. Hello. There's hard-boiled, scrambled, bread. Oh my gosh. Look at all this. What is this? Fried potatoes and grilled tomatoes. That rhymes. Hot dogs, eggs. Ooh, look at that berry mix. Oh my gosh.
Looks nice already for you.
Yeah. All the different fruits here. Sausage, bacon, English muffins.
Breakfast pizza.
Huh?
This is breakfast pizza.
Oh my god.
Sweet pizza.
Oh my gosh. I love it.
Alright, let's grab a plate.
And then some donuts. Oh, they've even got some more bread over here as well. Wow. Why not? Why not? You never know unless you try it. Pizza like a solid 5, maybe 6 out of 10. Yeah, I probably wouldn't get it again, but it was good to try. You know, like it was a little loud for this early in the morning. And I use that word, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's a little loud, but there's a lot going on with it. Yeah, but it was good. Good taste. South Beach pool this morning, looking rather quiet. Just how I like a swimming pool, yeah. So they have the gelato here also at I believe lunchtime and dinner. We're heading to get off the ship right now. We're gonna go down. I believe it's this is a cruise.
How do we get off the ship?
Well, the door is like blocked.
Right.
So like,
what do we do? We're stuck back here.
I'm so confused. Anyway, we're trying to get off the ship. The ship is inhibiting us from doing that, but we're gonna get off and we gotta meet our shore excursion by 9:45 this morning. It's like just after 9:30, so we got a few more minutes to play with. Exit, that's what we're looking for.
Alright.
We are here, Ocho Rios. Woo! That's cute. How about that? Wow.
Pictures and flashes.
Yeah.
You know, like usually they're like, oh, picture.
Take picture. Take picture. Picture here, picture there, picture everywhere. I don't know, because then there's another one down there. I don't know how, so the line to get off was absolutely insane.
Yeah.
Like, it was honestly, I have never seen it. You would have thought they had one exit open and that was it. Like, the whole ship was trying to get off. So, I don't understand how if they have 3 exits. Well, maybe because this one is stairs, it's taking a little longer. Yeah.
You're right.
Probably. So we're here at the river tubing. So I guess, I don't know if we're gonna be linked together or we're gonna paddle or what's gonna happen, but we're gonna have an adventure, that's for sure. All right, here we go. So we are tubing. They gave us the option of tubing or rafting. I asked which one would be more exciting. He said the tubing. So that's what we're doing. Nice. Oh, it's crystal clear.
Yeah.
It really is. Look at that. Let me see. So this is the this is what the jerk sauce is made out of. Did you smell?
What?
This is the plant the jerk sauce is made out of. Or one of them, right? Yeah. Wow. That's nice. Is it hot?
No, it's spicy.
Let me see.
What's the name of it?
Pepper elder. This is pepper elder. They say it will cure a hangover. Smells really good.
It does.
Makes me want to drink.
You said it makes you want to drink some more. That is nice. Very refreshing. It's so cool. You get to like I'm putting my hands on Jamaica, a piece of Jamaica right now. Woo! Got it.
All right, you got it.
All right, feel the rain. Maybe only Jamaican can feel it. Sorry, guys.
It's raining, we believe you. Oh my gosh. Wow. It's gonna flip out over here. Woo! Woo! Oh, we're back at this bridge. Hello, friend. Yes.
Sorry, guys. This is where the tour
Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Yeah. Wow. Whoa. Woo. Wow. Oh my gosh. Isn't it though? The best. The best.
I feel like it's like a water park with a grill. It's like
for it. All right. CC Peter's dry.
No, I'm not.
Wow. Look at that.
Now who makes that blue shape?
All right.
Got that here.
All right, so now we're hopping in this like a raft.
Yeah.
It's gonna take us to the beach where we're gonna have lunch.
Yes.
I think, I'm praying jerk chicken is on the menu.
The bottom.
Wow.
It's awesome.
Doesn't that look yummy, Peter?
It does. It looks really good.
So here's
I might
our
use some of
lunch.
the barbecue.
Yeah, this is what's included with the tour. So we did this through Shore Excursions Group. I'll try and leave a link. This is just part one. We still go into the blue hole.
Yeah, it's
like
a long
this.
excursion.
This would have been like a complete tour, like this right here.
Yeah.
But we actually still have more of our excursion, the blue hole. All right,
It's been great.
we're gonna eat up. Let's check out this chicken, this jerk chicken here. Mmm. Oh, that's so good. It's got like a smoky flavor to it.
Yeah.
Mmm. Oh, it's so good. Wow, so yummy, guys. So yummy here. Having a great day in Jamaica.
Oh yeah.
We really, really
This has
are.
been a great experience.
Right? Well, you guys, the jerk chicken has been ripped apart. Peter's ripping into his. What do you think? Is it good, jerk chicken?
Really.
Is it better than Jack Shack?
It is.
Really?
It is, yeah.
Yeah, I would say it is too. I mean, Jack Shack in Grand Turk, if you don't know, go back and watch one of the Grand Turk vlogs. We visit Jack Shack and they have some amazing jerk chicken there, but this jerk chicken here, something special about it. It is so yummy, so good. You have a bottling plant, don't you, for the Pepsi?
Yes, that's over in Kingston.
In Kingston? Wow, because it tastes different like from the ones in the US.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there's like real sugar, I guess, right?
Yeah, anyway though, lunch here really, really, really good. I didn't care for coleslaw. Not just this coleslaw, I just don't like coleslaw in general. So I didn't eat that, but the rice was delicious. They had beans in there, and then as well as the jerk chicken. Just absolutely tore it up. And like I was just talking with her, so we ended up getting a Pepsi, and it's bottled right here in Jamaica. Let me see if I can find it. Where did it say it? Oh, there it is. There it is. Product of Jamaica. So bottled right here. Isn't that just the coolest thing?
Delicious. Like,
Yeah.
It tastes so different.
Right.
Yeah.
So make sure when you come down here, you do get you a local Pepsi Cola. Even if you don't like Pepsi, I know a lot of people don't like Pepsi or they like Coke more than Pepsi or vice versa. Just try it because it does taste completely different in the States, and then at least you can say, you know, hey, I've had a Jamaican Pepsi. Next time, we're here, Blue Hole.
It's like Dunn's River, but better. Far down, isn't it?
All right, back here in beautiful Ocho Rios. See how everybody's getting those brownies on board. We've had the most perfect day here today.